Cash advance apps with no recurring charge let users access short-term money without paying a monthly subscription fee, but each app has different eligibility rules, fees, and repayment terms. By the end, you'll know what to check before choosing a cash advance app, how no subscription models usually work, and which details matter before connecting your account. The main difference between cash advance apps is how they make money. Some apps use optional fees, instant transfer charges, or other services instead of requiring a monthly membership. The first thing to check is whether the app clearly explains its pricing. A cash advance app should show any optional charges before you request money, so you understand the total cost. The second thing to check is eligibility. Many cash advance apps require users to connect a bank account, show regular deposits, or meet other account requirements. Review the requirements before creating an account to avoid spending time on an app you cannot use. Another important factor is repayment. Cash advances are usually designed to be repaid from a future deposit or according to the APS repayment schedule. Check the repayment date and make sure it fits your budget before accepting an advance. You should also review the transfer options. Some apps provide standard transfers while others may offer faster access through paid options. Compare the available choices and choose the one that matches your situation. Security is another key point. Before linking financial information, check what permissions the app requests and read how it handles your account data. Only use apps that clearly explain their security practices. The best way to compare cash advance apps is to focus on three things: the total cost, the requirements to qualify, and the repayment process. A no monthly fee app can still have other charges, so read the details before requesting money. Cash advance apps can be useful for managing short-term gaps, but they are not a replacement for regular income or long-term budgeting. Use them only when you understand the repayment terms. Before choosing an app, check the pricing page, review the eligibility rules, and confirm how repayment works. Those 3 steps can help you avoid unexpected costs. If this guide helped you understand cash advance apps, subscribe for more practical reviews of financial apps and online tools.